Imagine living just 5 minutes from Union Metro, with easy access to major transport hubs. Our luxury bed spaces offer a neat, clean, and hygienic environment, perfect for those seeking convenience and comfort in Dubai through Viva Spaces. Enjoy high-speed Wi-Fi, daily cleaning, and 24/7 security, all included. Essential appliances like a washing machine and refrigerator are at your disposal. 2 common washrooms, shared kitchen and balcony gives you more than expected from Viva Spaces. Plus, relax with stunning views of Burj Khalifa and Dubai frame right in front of your building.
Our affordable rent range starts from $1,100 to $1,500 with a refundable deposit. Beds are subject to availability. Check available beds on our website or call us directly to book your stay. Explore nearby options like metro, bus station, boat station, day-to-day, gift land, malls, markets, groceries, restaurants, cafes, laundry, and enjoy the vibrant lifestyle Viva Spaces offers.